Take a look at this Phantom wallet, $4.29 million stacked from meme coin launches. Not from gambling, not from chasing charts, but from creating the actual coin. Stay locked in, I'll show you it step by step. I used to chase pumps, thinking the next entry would change everything for me. But trust me bro, every single fucking time I bought inside a meme coin, I got completely dumped on and completely drained out of my money. Then it hit me. The real money isn't in buying coins, it's in launching them. Because when you launch a coin, you control the supply, the story, and the entire timing. You've got nothing to lose as a creator, but keep trading and you'll lose every time. Right now, Bitcoin is hitting highs and Solana is pumping. I think it's at $213 now. There's no better moment to start launching than right now. Make sure to keep watching. You do not want to miss this. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor and nothing here is financial advice. Focus on learning the strategy, but do not use it. Cap! Pump.Fun is jammed with thousands of new coin launches every single day. Your coin gets buried in the noise and you don't even control your own liquidity. That's the worst part of all. For example, if you create a coin on Pump.Fun, you launch it and you're up a couple $100, you cannot even touch that money because it's locked in the liquidity pool. But on Create Tokens.io though, it's completely different. Your project goes straight to Raydium, instantly migrated, and buyers can trade it immediately. And by the way, you are in full control from start to finish, and that's exactly why thousands and potentially tens and thousands of people use Create Tokens.io. Now on Create Tokens.io, there are two simple ways to launch. Option one is obviously to create a custom coin from scratch. So go on any social media platform like TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, X, right? And look for something that's trending. Now obviously it could be literally anything, just make sure it has hype to it, a bit of views, and maybe something funny, right? Anyways, come back to Create Tokens.io and after that, just put the name of the token, upload a quick 128 by 128 logo, and do not forget the ticker symbol for the second name. After that, click next, create, and you are done. But the second option though, that's my favorite one and the most profitable by far, the copy trending coins. These are coins already trending on Pump.Fun. You just copy them here and launch them instantly onto Raydium. And since the hype is already baked into these coins, you'll see instant buyers and bigger profits from the start. I would highly recommend to copy coins to begin with because they all have good narratives, so you will get buyers. Okay, let's quit stalling. Time to launch a coin right now and show you how fast it works. So first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected to the website, then refresh list to have all the brand new fresh coins, and let's look for a coin to copy. Now literally any coin will work. I'm gonna go with the no, not this one. Come on. I'm gonna go with the Trilogy coin. It has a last buy 9 seconds ago and a 35k market cap and a decent narrative. So crit coin. Ignore the warning from Phantom, it's normal, okay, it's really safe. Just go through it, boom, 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 boom. Then the coin should be copied, just give it a bit of time for it to load. And boom, now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page might look technical, but it's simple. We're adding liquidity so buyers can jump in and sellers can cash out instantly through Raydium. For the amount token A, just click 90%. That's gonna drop 900 million tokens. For the amount token B, think of it as planting the first trade. It's your first buy, but it's not money gone. It stays locked in the pool. Just make sure you've got enough, like the minimum is 0.3 SOL, so just make sure you have enough, and when you pull out the liquidity later, that Solana comes right back to you. That's why we say we have nothing to lose. Now I'm going to put 0.35 Solana, then crit pool, and then you should be able to click on confirm. When that's done, click on refresh, and if you scroll down, boom, the Trilogy coin is on live, the presale and the piano is right here. And if you click on refresh, now we're up $202. Anyways, click on view on photon to see the chart. Let me go on full screen, and now we are live. Okay, the chart is looking kind of funky. The market cap is at 1.3k, $27 buy. That's decent. Come on, bro. It has to pump from here. It has to pump, right? Yes! Come on. It has to fucking pump. No. Oh my god, bro. It will pump because more and more people are gonna start seeing the coin. It is gonna go really fucking high. You will just see, okay? I will prove to you guys that you can make thousands of dollars off doing this, because I've clearly made millions. So, come on. Yes! Come on! 1.3k. Oh my god, bro. Who is dumping on your shit, bro? Who is fucking dumping? Bro, oh my god. Okay, not bad. That's not bad. Not too shabby. Come on. Oh my god! Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna give this coin a couple minutes. I'm gonna be right back. Oh my god! It's fucking pumping! Should I dump it? Oh my god, now. Okay, I will be right back in a couple of seconds. Okay guys, I'm back. We are really fucking high in profits, 2.5k market cap. I think right now is a perfect time to make money, so come back to createtokens.io. After that, click on refresh. And boom, we're up $1,700. Anyways, click on the minus button, 100%. Click the red button, remove liquidity, come on. After that, click on confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you make a coin, dump it, and print some money. If I open my Phantom wallet, boom! $1,700.